Now let's open it up and see what's inside. We throw them in some water for 1 hour. Hey everybody! Today we're going to be doing a review on the Bagotte. This is the air fryer, the 5.8 quart air fryer. I'm going to be giving my honest review on it, so stay tuned. This air fryer comes with a non-stick basket. The power on this bad boy is 1700 watts. Let's read some of the functions it does. First one is knob control. Easy to operate digital touchscreen fryers. This is also dishwasher safe. You can put the basket in the dishwasher without any cleaning. The basket's also detachable. One-click separation of frying basket and pot flexibility, use and easy to clean. 360 inform heating, hot air circulating around the food to maintain the original flavor of the food. Tasty results. The BAF80 air fryer can achieve perfect crispiness on the outside, tender on the inside results. The last one, power off protection. Pull out the basket, power off automatically, put in the basket. The air fryer will continue to work. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's the air fryer out of its box. So let's try, I want to show you guys the qualities of this air fryer and the details of how much it is true. So I have a little trouble with it only because I have nails, but everybody else should be fine. It's easier. So once I have fries, they go in here and the oil drips through and stays here. I really like this quality of the air fryer. I think it's a really nice idea. And this is how you take it off and you put it back on. Okay, so let's go inside, cook some fries, and review this bad boy. After we cut the potato into fries, we throw them in some water for 1 hour to soak because of the starch. So. Let's take away all that starch. First things first, we have to preheat the air fryer for a little bit while we dry off our fries and get them prepared. So let's do that. First we dry off our fries with the paper towels. Make sure they're no longer wet. Once they're no longer wet, put them in a bowl or anything that you have. Let's put it all together. Side. And we put a little bit of it on top. Okay, good. And then we grind some of your favorite spices. Sprinkle that all over. And then we mix it up. So we put a little bit more. Okay, good enough. Now we wait until the air fryer is ready so we can put the fries in, and then I'll let you guys know how they come out. Okay, the air fryer looks like it's ready, so let's pause it, take it out, stick these bad boys in there. So next up, you space these out so you can all evenly get a good cook. There. So let's put this back in, start it back up. let's wait. So this air fryer came with a recipe book. Since it's a new air fryer, I didn't know how long to put it in for. I put it at 370? Yep, 370. Now let's look for how long it actually says to put it in. It is number 39. So we flip to number 39. And then, so according here, it says about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it in there for about that time. With this book, I can see myself doing a lot of recipes with this book. Trying new things out. Okay, now we're back to the fries. It's been about 15 minutes or so. So let's take them out and check. Needs a little bit more time to be crunchy. Let's give it more time. Ooh, they're really looking crispier. Give them a try. Way more crispier. It's so good.
Give us your honest opinion. Is it good or not?
It's good. It's crispy. I love this product. I'm really looking forward to using this product. If I ever buy one myself, which I will. If you guys want this product as well, the link is down below. And you might get a discount.
Okay, so first you start by turning on the air fryer located in the middle of the knob, and then you can choose what meats you are cooking on the side. We chose the beef setting on this pork belly because it's thicker than bacon. And then push the button again to start. It's that simple. And then we wait. Wow, look at this beautiful crispy pork belly. Really juicy and golden. We also added some jalapenos just to add some flavor. Look how great that looks and so delicious. We also did frozen steak fries to compare to the fresh fries our model did earlier. They came out so golden brown, crunchy, and crispy. They were so yummy. We also did some bacon wrapped beef tenderloin. They were so juicy and delicious. We love this air fryer. Thanks for watching.